Yo man guys, what's up? Charlie. Boss Leo be the name, aka the Ghetto Youth Motivator, yeah? And guys, what's up? Where you people dey? Charlie, today I wan make we talk about things wey dey scare women the most. Why if you meet most of the girls you wan talk to them, then they pull themselves, then that thing. Even some sef dey, dem go give you the chance, you go talk to them, dem go give you the chance to know them. But when it comes to when she for open up, like things for go on, then she dey poo himself. Some sef dey, you go fit date am, everything dey go well. If you reach when like Charlie you wan eat the meat, yes, that be the thing, then she dey poo himself. Why? Charlie, today we go find out. We go know the reason why most of the girls know Charlie, e be always hard to give in. Dem are fear, dem are insecurities. We for find out. Me I go tell you say one thing girls dey fear or one thing wey e dey let anytime you go meet girl or you go meet somebody, some nice lady, you wan do things plus she no wan open up. The first thing wey dem dey fear be say you go, most of you guys, yes, dem dey fear say you go chop am then you dog am, you go chop am then you ghost am, you go eat am then you run left am. That be one of the thing dem dey fear So me, one thing I fit dey do if I meet some girl wey I source that insecurity for im body, say she dey fear say she go give im body to me because she know say I be boss Leo wey I go hit then run, or I go eat then run, or I go boom then run. No, I always dey make sure say I dey move that insecurity from me inside. I dey always let she know say, oh no, just buy anything, I no go chop you then bounce you like that. You dey bab that thing. Yeah. So if you know that thing about girls, say one reason why dem no wan dey give in be say she dey fear say you go chop then you dog am. When you give am that security, say, oh Charlie, I no go chop you then dog you. You think say you no go open up leave you. Well, one thing me I can't study about women, see, you boys you think say you spoil, but you no spoil. You boys you think say you know, but you no know. Girls them be more mad pass we. Wey them spoil self pass we. Wey the thing them e dey sweet themselves pass we. Them they want am more. But you see, before a girl go open up, or before a girl go bring out all her goodness for you, you forbode the confidence she have in you. You forbode that confidence in her, letting her know say, Charlie, just by everything you dey have with her, you never go dog her. You no go eat then run. You no go hit then run. Hey, with that one, she go show you more things. See, girls, them be more wild, them more stubborn. But because she no get that confidence in you, so she no go GA out. If you like, anytime you go meet any girl or anytime you date any girl, just give her that assurance. Just give her that confidence. Say she be the, I don't want to talk to she be the queen, but say you no go eat then run. But when you know say girls then they want relationship. Yeah, we guys we just want to enjoy ourselves. Girls know they want make you just hit them then you run. Oh, no. You want enjoy relationship plus you. You see so that be my biggest fear. Knowing say if you take him body give you, you know be thing where you go dey with am. But if you say you just want hit then pass your way. No. She no go do. You dey bab. So me that be the one thing I don't say girls they fear that be my biggest insecurity. Say if you take him body give you finish where you hammer and finish her, you go round left hand. You see so as you know this thing right now, you for know how you go arrange your movement. You go talk to her in a way where she go have that confidence in you. Say, oh no, this man guy there, you know go eat then dog me. You see that thing? Oh waga, so Charlie, make we enter into the second one. The second thing to wey me I think say girls dey fear that one no be when you wan date am, or when you wan chop am for the first time, or when you wan move with am for the first time. That no be that one. But after you dey with her finish, after the movement go on, everything wey the girl can enjoy you, she can know how sweet you be, you know what be im biggest fear. She dey fear say you go cheat on am. That be women dem are greatest insecurity. If you get some girl you dey date am, wey the girl dey really love you, hey, she go fit do anything for you. You know what be im biggest fear? Im biggest fear be say you go cheat on am. That one, see, girls always no dey have peace of mind because of those things. So if you want to enjoy your woman, you want to enjoy your relationship, you want things to go on, you want make she open up 360. Where if woman open up 360 give you, you don't know how sweet it be. See, girls, if she have that confidence in you, say, oh, this guy like this, them spoil pass you, it go show you more mad thing. Where if woman have confidence in you, you don't know what she go fit show you. She go show you things where you yourself, you know, imagine self say it go fit happen with the bab. So try put some confidence in your woman. Try make your woman have some confidence in you. Knowing say you there, she go fit tell you anything, she go fit do anything with you. See, girls, them be bad. Them be bad. With them know more bad stuffs. But they always depend on you, the guy, how to bring out that bad stuff from her so that you can enjoy it. You the bab. Yo, so Boss Leo be the name, aka the Ghetto Youth Motivator, aka the Girls Dem and Secret Finder. Charlie, subscribe to my channel, like and share. It be very important to me. I dey beg you people. Yeah, I won't make the channel grow. So subscribe, like, then you share. Make we get more boys. Make them know more things where other boys don't know. Me, I will tell you things where your mother and your father no will tell you. That be